If you're looking for a great drone to just take footage or up your camera game, you're absolutely going to love this one. So this is a beginner drone, which is really nice. You get 4K camera in it, you got the brushless motors, and you got the extended flight time. So you get 2 batteries and they'll go up to 36 minutes, which is really nice. And then we also have the app that you're going to download for this, which is super easy. So this is what the actual drone looks like itself. These blades just flip out, so you can put those in if you want. This is the bottom right over here. So you got the camera here, another camera here. This is where you're gonna put your memory card. And then right in here is where you're gonna put the 2 batteries that you get right here, which is great. Love the fact that you get 2 batteries. You get this charger. You also get this case with some backup blades as well. Super easy to use. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your phone right up here. You're gonna turn this on and this on, and then it's all gonna sync together. You open the app, super easy to fly. Really like this a lot. I'm not even a technical person. I was even able to get this set up and going. So you're looking for a great drone that is beginner friendly and takes great video, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.